What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Cape Town, South Africa. We're gonna have Bitcoin, guys. We've had the throwback that we talked about in yesterday's video. We were seeing those bearish patterns, but I said please keep an eye on a throwback as the bulls have just been showing immense strength. So currently we're sitting at 47,146. We're up almost 3% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 885 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 32.5 billion. So let's hop straight into the goodies. So we can see here we had our head and shoulders. We also had a bear pennant, but I said there's a high likelihood that we could see a throwback, guys, if the bulls have been showing immense strength, and that's exactly what has happened. We had a throwback, we got back above the EMAs, and we came up and we once again tested the golden ratio at about 47,608. So I want to pop over to the 4-hour time frame so you can see how we're just beautifully holding the EMAs. We hold the 20 EMA, we break down, we bounce off the 55. We broke down a little bit, but we just came right back above the 20 EMA. So as long as we continue to hold the EMAs on the 4-hour chart, what I'm waiting for is us to break the golden ratio and back test as support. If I see that, I think that will be a great opportunity to enter some long trades. I definitely will be for Bitcoin, as well as the strong altcoins ADA and XRP. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. But if we do break through the golden ratio and back test it as support, I do think our next targets are here at 50K and then 54K. We are still seeing our bearish divergence. The price is rising, the RSI is falling, but this is the 4-hour time frame, and sometimes they're invalidated or they take quite a while to play out. If we hop over to the daily chart here for Bitcoin, I talked about in yesterday's video that we might not even come down to 44K. We might just see a little bit of consolidation before we see that continuation to the upside, as the bulls were just showing immense strength. Now I have drawn in this line here where this wick came down to. There was also some resistance in that area. So I do think when we come up to 50K, we could hit a little bit of resistance here, just kind of how we did here at about 42K as well. Right around that 50K range. We may just blast through it, but I do think that could act as a level of resistance, and then basically your next target is up here at 54,000. All right, guys. So we'll see what happens. I'm waiting to see if Bitcoin is either going to break through the golden ratio or if we're going to continue to hit it as resistance and then roll over. I'm waiting for that confirmation before I start entering some long trades. I do still have some open, XRP, ADA. I'll throw them up on the screen over on Bybit. And if you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, please check out my full length tutorial and make sure to sign up to Bybit. There's up to $1,800 in bonuses. You get $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours. And it ends August 18th. So don't miss out on those juicy bonuses. All right, guys. So just a little quick update here. We still do have that level of support at 44K. However, as you can see here on the 4-hour, we're just, this is a 1-hour, quickly pop to the 4-hour. We're beautifully holding the support of the EMAs. And once we break through this level, 47,608, that's when we could see that continuation. However, guys, if we were to get rejected, we still do have this rising wedge here. If we were to just continue to hit resistance on the golden ratio, we could roll over. But I think we could easily find support here at about 43K. As you can see here on the daily, 43, 42K would be right where the EMAs would catch back up to the candles. But we're still looking strong here. We still do have that bearish divergence on the daily. So do keep that in mind. I would just wait for your confirmation, break through the golden ratio. That gives you your confirmation of continuation. And then if we just hit resistance, your support target is about 43 to 44,273. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. I hope it brought you some value. You know what to do. Smash that like button. Follow me on social. Check out Bybit. Check out crypto.com. Check out the Discord. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Much love. Take care.